In September 2023, PVcase released the following new features and updates. Up to this moment, when exporting the bill of materials for terrain following trackers, only the slope angle for the first section of the tracker would be shown. Now, the piling tab in the BOM Excel sheet shows the slope angle for every single frame section, as well as an additional column with the slope delta between those sections. Based on this exported information, the user can better analyze placement issues based on constraints defined by the tracker manufacturer. Until now, when using the Adaptive Terrain tool, the software would only keep the position of the frames if the whole PVcase PV area was selected. But if a group of frames was selected instead, the software would adapt, prioritizing the parameters defined in park settings. Now, the user has the option to select in each situation what the software will do. By selecting adaptive positions, the frames will adapt to terrain, keeping their existing locations. Whereas when selecting Adapt by Settings, the frames will adapt to terrain but modifying the position where necessary to comply with the park settings parameters. This change allows the user more control over design, which for example can come in handy when using it in combination with the Select Similar command to manually iterate reference heights for specific groups of frames. A new option to define an allowed shading percentage is available in park settings. If the designer inputs a certain value, the software will automatically place the frames so that they're shaded in that percentage at the day and time that have been selected. Of course, the user can still input 0 and the frames will be placed like they used to in prior versions by avoiding shading altogether. Also important to note is that the shading percentage refers to the value for flat spacing between frames, so it will vary when the terrain is irregular. In order to enhance integration with other tools, a new import option has been added to Ground Mount. Now, in addition to the frequently used Import Terrain and Import KML tools, an Import AO Data button is available. It allows to easily import all the information from any project that the user has created using the Anderson Optimization site selection software. The AutoCAD project file will in this manner be automatically geolocated, and terrain, setbacks, boundaries, hazards, and all other AO layers will become available, allowing users to seamlessly continue with their design workflow in PVcase Ground Mount, taking into consideration those imported constraints. We hope these new features will become useful to you. Please let us know what you think and reach out if you have any questions.